Well, take a look at what somebody dumped. Just a few doors down from where I live. Look at that. Beautiful timber. A wooden bed frame. There's the foot of it there. That lovely turned timber posts. The rails that they would have slept on. Again, beautiful timber. Yeah. And you know, I think I can do something with that. Let me have a little think. Time to get the screwdriver and the screws out, I think. And get busy. Yeah. Let's see what we can do. So, how do you think I did with the bed that somebody threw out? Well, I built myself a bar out of it, and there she is. Oh dear. Where I've hung my mirror up there, the gun mirror as I call it, that's the headboard. The posts either side of it are the foot of the bed posts. The bar which the bottles are on are the footboard from the bed, and the posts either side of that are from the headboard, so to speak. Some empty bottles that I've kept that were bought for present, you know, Christmas, birthday presents or whatever. So that's what I did with it. Oh, and the planks going across of the cross members, of course. So there we are. How's that then? Not bad for an old geezer. Couple of days work with a drill, box of screws and a screwdriver. Okay, now let's go and have a look at the film that I've found for you with Tom Selleck, Barry Corbin, and it's a cracking little western. Let's go take a look. There you go. Yes, that was the film Crossfire Trail. Tom Selleck, Barry Corbin, Wilford Brimley, and a host of other good actors as well. Cracking movie, and it's full of well done steaks, shootouts, whiskies, shootouts, and I'll show you a few of them in just a second. And but let me know what you think about my bar project. If you find it interesting at all. I thought it was safe wasting good timber, you know. I think it's pine wood by the look of it, that bed was made of. So there you go, bed knobs and bar rooms. Keeps me at the pub anyway. Not that I was ever a good pub goer. But before I show you the clips from that movie, just to let you know, my next video is going to be shootout. Get the girls out. According to the weatherman, it's going to warm up, which means I can get outside. I'll be using the big girls and the little girls. Enjoy them all. Oh, and my long girls as well. Get the old rifles out. So hope to see you on that one. But in the meantime, enjoy a few clips from the film. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Take care.
No, sir. Never even found poor Charlie's body. Bastards carried him off like a bunch of crows. I seen your dog. Sorry to hear that. Why? upsetting for you. Excuse me. That awful day on the Wind River Trail, how big was that Sioux raiding party? I don't recall. 5, 6 maybe. What was Rodney wearing? What was he wearing? You heard me. What damn difference does that make? As a year ago. No difference. You're being a liar and all.
I'm gonna blow you out of them fancy boots.
Now you calm down, Taggart. You'll get a more harmonious outcome. Besides, you really ought to thank me.
Thank you.